So I have received this phone these days. I'll show the email. As you can see, there are two dead pixels in there. Right there is one. You can see both of them. When it's light, there are no pixels. You can see that. There we go again. When the screen is black, you can see that the pixels appear. And there you are, two. That's the first issue, and I'll show the second one. First I will show you the email. Here it is. Email with the serial number. As you can see, it hasn't been opened or anything. That's still on warranty, so I hope you can comply. You see, the screen is on. Let's put the timeout bigger. So here we go. We shall try to reset it. Trying to reset it. Here we go, the reset button. We shall press it. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. As you can see, nothing happened. That button does not work. I don't know what to do with that. That's a bit of a problem, because if you have a frozen phone, you can't do anything. That's it. As you can see, it was killed before me. Not like the view of it, but that's that. So I don't know what to do with these issues. I think I'll open this, but